Sunday, everyone. Okay, y'all gonna hear I'm very out of breath. But thought I'd take you down this little nature trail with this. And my son's way ahead. It's really pretty out here. He's been making me walk every day. Well, not making me, can't make me, but encouraging me. As if I want a homestead one day, I'm gonna be able to get my pain level down and my breathing to where I can do more. Like I say, I'm sorry. I'm very short of breath. I don't know where he's done it. Way ahead of me. This is pretty. And I'm just taking my time. I guess it's the advantage of being a sports trainer. He could probably run through here in no time. Me, I have to take breaks. There's a lake back here somewhere, and I've never been on this myself. There's a lake back here. They were supposed to drain it and redone it. And I know a lot of people used to fish back here. Lord, gosh, I'm glad I never brought no fishing poles down here. I should have brought my walker. I could have rolled through and I'd have been all right. Look at this. This is pretty neat. Down through the tree. I would much rather walk in woods than on city sidewalks. Although it is harder on my feet. But, and I have no idea which direction he went. Pretty sure probably not that one because he knows I couldn't get down there. There he is. There ain't no lake down there? Does it look like it's been drained?
No, it just goes in a circle. We can keep going if you want.
No, it's fixing to rain.
I don't know where else it goes. It went down that way and then it started going that way.
Well, because it was even in the newspaper, they drained it. So, but they were supposed to fill it back up.
Will this do one loop back to the truck?
I have no idea. I've never been back here.